Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So in the last two videos we have completed first question from miscellaneous exercise. Now we are starting question number 2. See, in the question number 2 in question number 2 we are solving first example. So in first example we have to find out principal solutions of given trigonometric equation. So now observe the first trigonometric equation, that is sin 2 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we know that here we can observe that what is the angle? Angle is what? 2 theta. We know that since we know that theta belongs to which interval? 0 to 2 pi, means close interval 0 and open from which side? 2 pi, means theta lies in between 0 to 2 pi, including 0 and excluding what? 2 pi. Such values are called as what? Principal values if it lies in this interval. But instead of theta, here 2 theta is given to us. So that's why we can say that it implies that 2 theta belongs to then what? 0 to what? 4 pi. Isn't it? If theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, means 2 theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Now using this condition, means we have to find out such value of 2 theta which lies in this interval and satisfies the given trigonometric equation. So now consider the given trigonometric equation. Sin 2 theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. So this equation can be written as sin 2 theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, can I replace it by sin pi by 6, means sin 30. So which is equals to, so therefore sin 2 theta is equals to. Now here we are making the use of what? Allied angle formulas. Which formulas? Allied angle formulas. So for that purpose, again see here. So here this whole angle will be equals to how much? Whole angle will be equals to pi. And here if the after completing one revolution, this angle will become how much? 2 pi. But now as it stand, our interval is from what? 0 to 2 pi. So here again take another revolution. So here we will get again 2 pi plus pi will be equals to 3 pi, and here we will get what? 4 pi. Isn't it? Now the value of sin is negative, and we know that if sin is negative, means it lies in which quadrant? Either in third or in fourth. Third quadrant means what? Pi plus theta, means 180 plus, and fourth quadrant means what? 2 pi minus theta. But again these are the two values which lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. But as it stand, our interval is from what? 0 to 4 pi. So now then second value is what? 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta, and next value is what? 4 pi minus theta. Means in this way here we will get 4 values which satisfies all the condition in the example, means satisfies this trigonometric equation and lies in this interval. Okay, so now according to allied angle formulae, sin minus theta can be written as what? Sin pi plus theta can also be written as sin 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus theta. But what is the value of theta here? Theta is nothing but what? Pi by 6. So here also replace theta by what? Pi by 6 is also equal to sin, again what? 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta. Theta is how much here? Pi by 6 is also equals to what? Sin 4 pi minus theta. 4 pi minus theta, but theta is equal to what? Pi by 6. Means minus sin pi by 6 is the value of what? Sin pi plus pi by 6 also, sin 2 pi minus pi by 6 also, sin 3 pi plus pi by 6 also, and sin 4 pi minus pi by 6 also. Means value of all these 4 terms will be what? Minus sin pi by 6. Now this can be written as, so therefore sin 2 theta will be equals to, sin 2 theta is equals to, what is the first term? Sin pi plus pi by 6. If we are simplifying it, 6 pi plus pi means will be equals to 7 pi by 6, which will be equals to what? Sin, again if you are taking here difference, so 6 into 2 is 12 pi, 12 pi minus pi will be equals to 11 pi by 6 is also equals to sin. Now here what we will get? 6 3s are 18 pi plus pi will be equals to 19 pi by 6. 19 pi by 6 is also equals to what? Sine. Again observe the last term, 6 4s are 24, 24 pi minus pi will be equals to 23 pi by 6. So comparing these all terms, if we are considering that these two values are equal, means we can conclude that 2 theta is equal to what? 7 pi by 6. Again, if we are considering that these two terms are equal, means we can say that theta is equal to 11 pi by 6. Again, if we are considering that these two terms are equal, means we can say that 2 theta is equal to 19 pi by 6. And lastly 2 theta is equals to 23 pi by 6. Okay, so now this implies that theta is equals to, take 2 on this side, it will become 7 pi by 12. So here value of theta will be equals to 11 pi. Take 2 on this side, it will get divided, 11 pi by 12. So here theta will be equals to what? 19 pi by 12. And lastly theta is equal to 23 pi by 12. Okay, so in this way we have got 4 values of theta which lies in this interval and satisfies the given inverse trigonometric function, and such values are called as what? Principal value. So that's why we can say that therefore required principal solutions are. So which are the required principal solution? First is 7 pi by 12, second is 11 pi by 12, third is 19 pi by 12, and lastly 23 pi by 12. Now easily we can observe that these are the values of what? These are the values of 2 theta. But if we are dividing to all the terms by 2, means all these values lies in between what? Lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. Means it satisfies our definition. So see, this 2 theta lies in this interval, means theta lies in this interval. Getting it? Theta lies in what? 0 to 2 pi. Means we have got all the values. These are the values of 2 theta. But remember that the value of theta lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi, and that's why we can say that these are the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. Now observe the second example. In the second example, given trigonometric equation is tan 3 theta is equals to -1. So let us consider this trigonometric equation. So we know that if theta should belongs to which interval? 0 to 2 pi. That's why we can say that it implies that 3 theta will belongs to what? 3 theta will belongs to 0 to, if we are simply multiplying by 3, means here we will get 6 pi. Means we have to find out value of such 3 theta which lies in between what? 0 to 6 pi. But after dividing by 3, definitely theta, because our variable is what? Theta. And we know that according to our definition, theta should lie in between what? 0 to what? 2 pi. We are finding value of 3 theta which lies in this interval, and after dividing to every term by 3, we will get the value of theta which lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. Means such values can be considered as what? Principal values. Sorry, principal solutions. Now consider the given equation. So therefore tan 3 theta can be written as what is given to us is equal to -1. So tan 3 theta, keep it as it is, minus also as it is 1 can be replaced by what? Tan pi by 4, means tan 45. So which is equals to. Now observe that we have to find out value of such 3 theta which lies in this interval. If you observe this interval here, observe the interval very carefully. So here we will get what? 0 to what? Pi. Okay. Then here what we will get? 2 pi. Again here we will get what? 3 pi. Here what we will get? 4 pi. हमें कहाँ तक जाना है? 6 pi तक. Again what? Here we will get 5 pi. And lastly here what we will get? 6 pi. Now value of tan is negative. We know that in first quadrant and in third quadrant tan is what? Positive. And since the value of tan is negative, means our solution exists in Which two quadrant? Second and fourth. Now second quadrant means what? Pi minus theta. Again we can say that 3 pi minus theta. Again we can say that 5 pi minus theta. And in the fourth quadrant means what? 2 pi minus theta, 4 pi minus theta and 6 pi minus theta. Means how many solutions we are getting here? 6 solution getting, where 3 theta lies in this interval, means theta lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. So let us try to find out such 6 values which satisfies this equation. So here this minus tan theta according to allied angle formula can be written as tan pi minus theta. Pi minus theta, what is theta here? Pi by 4. According to allied angle formula, tan pi minus theta is how much? Minus tan theta. Can also be written as tan after pi minus theta, then second value is 2 pi minus theta. Theta is how much? Pi by 4 is again equal to tan. After 2 pi what we will get? 3 pi minus pi by 4. After 3 pi by pi minus pi by 4 we will get tan how much? 4 pi minus pi by 4 will also be equals to tan. After that what we will get? 5 pi minus pi by 4 is equals to tan 5 pi minus pi by 4 will also be equals to tan 6 pi minus pi by 4. Means these all result we are getting according to what? Allied angle formulas. So in this way we have got 6 values, 6 terms whose value is what? Minus tan pi by 4. Now it can, after simplifying it, it can be written as, see here, 4 pi minus pi will be equals to 3 pi by 4, just we are taking the difference, is equals to tan. Here what we will get? 8 pi minus pi will be 7 pi by 4 is equals to tan. After 7 pi by 4 here what will get? 12 minus pi, means 12 pi minus pi is 11 pi by 4. So will be equals to tan. Here we will get 16 pi minus pi, means 15 pi by 4. In the same way here we will get 19 pi by 4, tan 19 pi by 4. And if we are taking here difference, what we will get here? 24 minus 1 means 23 pi by 4. Okay. Now comparing both sides, what we can conclude that this implies that what is the first value of 3 theta? First value of 3 theta is 3 pi by 4. So if we are considering that first two terms, these two terms are equal, then it implies that 3 theta is equal to what? 3 pi by 4. Second value of 3 theta is how much? 7 pi by 4. Third value is what? 3 theta is equals to 11 pi by 4. Next value of 3 theta is 15 pi by 4. Next value of 3 theta is equals to 19 pi by 4. Next value of 3 theta will be equals to 23 pi by 4. In this way we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values of 3 theta. These are the values of 3 theta which lies in between what? 0 to 6 pi. Now if I am dividing both sides by 3, then definitely these values lie in between what? 0 to 2 pi, means value of theta lies in between 0 to 2 pi, and such values are called as principal solution according to our definition. So we are dividing both sides by 3. So here theta is equal to 3 will get cancelled, we will get pi by 4. Here we will get theta is equal to, if I am dividing by 3, so here 3 will get cancelled, and on this side we will get 7 pi by 12. Here theta will be equals to 11 pi by 12. If I am dividing both sides by 3, here theta will be equals to 5 pi by 4. Here we will get theta is equal to 9 pi by 12, and lastly theta is equals to 23 pi by 12. In this way we have got 6 values of theta, and these values of theta are called as what? Principal solution. So that's why lastly we can say that therefore required principal solutions are. So what is the first value? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Second value is what? 7 pi by 12. Third value is 11 pi by 12. next value is 5 pi by 12, next value is 9 pi by 12, and lastly 23 pi by 12. So are the required principal solution of given trigonometric equation. So observe the third example. In this case, given trigonometric equation is cot theta is equals to 0, and we know that cot theta is equals to 0 if theta is equals to how much? Pi by 2, is also equals to 0 if theta is equals to 3 pi by 2, and these are two values which lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi, where the value of cot is how much? 0. So which implies that theta is equals to how much? Pi by 2, and second value is what? 3 pi by 2, and both the values belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi, and since it lies in this interval, so we can say that are the required principal solution. So therefore required principal solutions are, so which are the required principal solution? Here pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. In this way we have completed first three example from question number what? First. Now we are starting question number 2. Similar type of questions we have to solve in question number 2. Now let us try to solve the first example here. In this case we have to find out principal solution of sine 2 theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So consider the given trigonometric equation. So here we know that theta belongs to, so theta belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi. At that time only it is considered as what? Principal solution. But here instead of theta, 2 theta is given to us. So 2 theta should belongs to what? 0 to what? 4 pi. Okay, just we are taking twice on this side, also we are taking twice. So definitely value of 2 theta lies in this interval. Lies in this interval means theta lies in this interval. After eliminating 2, we will get the value of what? Theta. Then theta should lie in between 0 to 2 pi, and such values are called as what? Principal solution. So consider the given trigonometric equation sine 2 theta is equals to minus 1 by root 2. So sine 2 theta, keep it as it is equals to minus also as it is 1 by root 2 is the value of what? Sine 45 means sine pi by 4. Now here we are finding such value which lies in this interval, means in between what? 0 to 2 pi. This will be what? Pi. Again here one revolution get complete, then 2 pi, then what? 3 pi, and lastly what? Here we will get what? 4 pi. Okay, so here value of sine theta is negative, and since the value of sine theta is negative means it lies in third and fourth quadrant, because in first two quadrant value of sine is positive, means our solution lies in what? Which two quadrant? Third and fourth. So third quadrant means what? Here pi plus theta, and again what? 3 pi plus theta. Fourth quadrant means what? 2 pi minus theta, and again 4 pi minus theta. So we are getting 4 values here which satisfies this equation. So according to allied angle formulas, minus sine theta can be written as what? Sine pi plus theta. What is theta here? Pi by 4, which can also be written as sine 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta, but theta is here pi by 4, is also equals to what? Sine 3 pi plus theta. 3 pi plus theta, theta is here pi by 4. Again it can be written as sine 4 pi minus theta. Theta is pi by 4. So let us simplify it, which is equal to sine. So if we are taking cross multiplication, here we will get 5 pi by 4 is equal to, here also if we are taking cross multiplication, what will get? 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 pi minus pi will be 7 pi by 4 is equal to what? Sine. So here 12 pi means 12 plus 1, 13 pi by 4 is equal to sine. If we are simplifying it, 4 4s are 16, 16 pi minus pi will be equals to here it will be 3 pi plus theta. So is equal to 17 pi by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 pi minus pi will be equals to what? 15 pi by 4, sorry. 15 pi by 4. In this way we have got 4 values. So this implies that if we are comparing both sides, if we are considering that these two terms are equal, means we can say that 2 theta will be equals to how much? 5 pi by 4. If we are considering that these two values are equal, means 2 theta is equal to 7 pi by 4. In the same way we will get value of 2 theta is equal to 13 pi by 4, and last value of 2 theta will be equals to what? 15 pi by 4. Now our interest is to find out value of variable, and variable is nothing but what here? Theta. So to find out value of theta we are dividing both side by 2. Let us see what we'll get if we are dividing both side by 2. So here we will get 5 pi by 8. So here theta will be equals to 7 pi by 8. Here theta will be equals to 13 pi by 8, and here lastly theta will be equals to 15 pi by 8. In this way we have got 4 values of theta, and these values lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. आपको लगेगा यार ये तो 0 to 4 pi में principal solution lie नहीं होता है. So definitely it does not lies in this interval. But this is the value of what? 2 theta. 2 theta lies in this interval, means theta lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. Means all these values lies in between 0 to 2 pi. That's why we can say that it is the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. So therefore we can say that therefore required principal solutions are, so what is the first solution here we have got? That is 5 pi by 8. Second solution is 7 pi by 8. Then what we have got here? 13 pi by 8. And lastly 15 pi by 8. So in this way we have got 4 values of theta which satisfies the given inverse trigonometric function and lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. Now let us try to find out principal solution of equation tan 5 theta is equals to what? -1. So consider the given trigonometric equation. So we know that means since theta belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi. Isn't it? So implies that 5 theta belongs to what? 0 to 10 pi. Isn't it? Just simply we are multiplying by 5. So now अब हमें कहाँ तक जाना है? 5 theta. So if this much angle will be equals to what? Pi. Then what we'll get here? 2 pi. Continuing this way, here we will get 3 pi. Here again we will get 4 pi. Then what? 5 pi. Here we will get 6 pi. Then here we will get 7 pi. Here we will get 8 pi. Then 9 pi. And lastly what? We will get 10 pi. Continuing means if we are continuing rotation, so we will get such type of values. So here our value of 5 theta lies in between what? 0 to 10. After dividing both sides by 5, again theta belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So now here value of tan is what? Negative. Value of tan is negative in which two quadrant? Second quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first and third, tan is positive. Means here our principal solution lies in which two quadrants? Third and second and fourth. Second means what? Pi minus theta. This is our first value. Then second value is what? 3 pi minus theta. Then what? 5 pi minus theta. Then 7 pi minus theta. And lastly 9 pi minus theta. Means we are getting 5 values which lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the same way, in the fourth quadrant, what we will get? 2 pi minus theta, then 4 pi minus theta, 6 pi minus theta, 8 pi minus theta, and lastly 10 pi minus theta. Okay. So consider the given equation. So now we are considering the given equation that tan 5 theta is equals to -1. So therefore tan 5 theta, keep it as it is. On this side -1, can I replace it by pi by 4? Minus, keep it as it is. 1 is nothing but value of tan 45. Tan 45 means what? Tan pi by 4. So which is equals to, chalo minus as it is rakho. So now we are finding first value which lies in what? Second quadrant. And we know that according to allied angle formulas, tan pi minus theta is how much? Minus tan theta. Means minus tan theta can be replaced by tan pi minus theta. Theta is how much here? Pi by 4. So which is equal to, चलो ये first value हो गई, then second value is what? Tan 2 pi minus pi by 4 is equals to next value 2 pi के बाद 3 pi minus pi by 4. Continuing this way, then what? After 3 pi, then 4 pi is equals to tan 4 pi minus pi by 4 is equals to tan 5 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so after that 4, here we will get 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and lastly what? 10. So which is also equals to tan is equals to tan what? 6 pi minus pi by 4, then is equals to tan 7 pi minus pi by 4 is equals to tan 8 pi minus pi by 4 is equals to tan 9 pi minus pi by 4, and lastly is equals to tan 10 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so which implies that if we are comparing both sides, so which implies that phi theta is equals to, what is the first value of phi theta? Pi minus pi by 4, or better way, first simplified, so which is equal to tan. So what we will get here, pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4 is equals to, here let us see what we will get. 8 pi minus pi will be equals to 7 pi by 4 is equals to, here 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 1 is 11 pi by 4. Continuing this way, if you will observe the difference here, 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 11 minus 7 is what? 4. चलो 4 ऐड करते चलो, यही वैल्यू हमें मिलने वाली है यहाँ पे 15 pi by 4. tan 11 pi by 4, then we will get tan 15 pi by 4 is equals to tan 15 के बाद यहाँ पे 19 pi by 4, tan 19 pi by 4 is equals to tan, after 19 what we'll get here? 24 minus 1 means 23 pi by 4 is equals to tan, after 23 here 28 minus 1 is 27 pi by 4 is equals to, here 32 minus 1 means 31 pi by 4, tan 31 pi by 4, and lastly here 36 minus 1 means 35, tan 35 pi by 4. Okay, so too much values we are getting here. So this implies that what is the first value of phi theta is equals to 3 pi by 4. Second value of phi theta is what? Second value of phi theta is 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. Next value of phi theta will be equals to 11 pi by 4. Continuing this way, phi theta is equals to 15 pi by 4. Then next value is what? 19 pi by 4. Phi theta is equals to 19 pi by 4. Then next value of phi theta is 23 pi by 4. Next value of phi theta is 27 pi by 4. Next value of phi theta will be equals to, after 27, 31 pi by 4, 31 pi by 4, and phi theta will be equals to, last value is 35 pi by 4. So here we are getting 31 pi by 4. In this way we have got the values of phi theta. So this implies that now we are collecting all these values in one set, but instead of phi theta we are collecting the values of theta. So now to get value of theta, first value of theta, we are dividing both sides by phi. So here we will get 3 pi by 20. Here we will get 7 pi by 20. Here if we are dividing both sides by 5, here we will get 11 pi by 20. Here we will get, if we are dividing by 5, here we will get 3 pi by 4. Next value will be 19 pi by 20. Then 23 pi by 20. Just simply we are dividing both side by 5. So if here I am dividing by 5 on both side, we will get 27 pi by 20. Then what? 31 pi by 20. And the last value is, if I am dividing here by 5, so here we will get 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. In this way, we have got the values of theta, which lies in between what? 0 to 2 pi. So all these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these values can be considered as what? Principal value. So again, I think one value is missing here. Let us check which value is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 19, 23, 27, 35. And here last value will be equals to 10. 4 5s are 4 10s are 40. 40 minus 1 will be 39 pi by 4. 39 pi by 4. So here again we are getting another value, that is phi u theta is equal to 39 pi by 4. 39 pi by 4 means here we will get 39 pi upon what? 20. So total check that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values of theta we are getting, and we can say that these values are nothing but required principal solution of this trigonometric equation. Now see the last example. In this case, given trigonometric equation is what? Cot 2 theta is equals to 0. So therefore here 2 theta is given to us, so that's why we can say that if theta belongs to what? 0 to 2 pi, means 2 theta belongs to 0 to what? 4 pi. So consider the given equation, cot 2 theta is equal to 0. So which can be written as cot 2 theta is equal to 0. So 0 is the value of what? Cot pi by 2 also. Again what? Cot pi by 2. Again what? Cot 3 pi by 2. So means cot 3 pi by 2. Again it is the value of 0 will be what? After 3 pi by 2 what we will get? Phi u pi by 2. Phi u pi by 2. And then again what we will get? Plus pi will become 7 pi by 2. So means will be equals to cot phi u pi by 2 is equals to cot 7 pi by 2. Means at this much point we are getting value of cot theta is equals to what? 0. We are finding values in between what? 0 to 4 pi. So this implies that 2 theta is equal to, what is the first value of 2 theta? That is pi by 2. Second value of 2 theta is what? 3 pi by 2. Then 2 theta is equals to phi u pi by 2, and 2 theta will be equals to 7 pi by 2. If we are dividing both sides by 2, so here we will get theta. So here theta will be equals to 3 pi by 4. Here theta will be equals to phi u pi by 4, and here theta will be equals to 7 pi by 4. Just simply we are dividing both sides by 2. So this implies that theta is equal to, collect all these values in one set. What is the first value? Pi by 4. Second value is 3 pi by 4. Next value is phi u pi by 4. Next value is 7 pi by 4. And all these values are required principal solutions. In this way we have got the solutions of this trigonometric equation. So in the next video we will start the next question from this exercise.